Containers on board vessels are secured together to the ship's structure by means of lashing bars, turnbuckles, and container fittings. At the wharf, coning and deconing operations take place as these container fittings are installed or removed for containers to be loaded onto or offloaded from the vessel. Coning-deconing works remain manual and laborious, requiring lashing specialists to work near suspended loads and alongside container trucks during loading and unloading operations. Container fittings are retrieved from or deposited into gear bins. There are different types of container fittings in make and model, each requiring varying actions and angles of installation. While humans are capable of handling the task, having a capable vision solutioning would be one of the key enablers as we incorporate automation and robotics to automate the coning and deconing activities. PSA Unboxed is seeking a robust vision solution that is augmented by machine learning or artificial intelligence to improve the automation success rate. The solution must be resilient to harsh environmental conditions, be it rain or shine, dust or night. It should be capable to localize the position of the corner casting and container fitting with high precision, as well as identify the correct type, make, and model. Position feedback of the corner casting or container fitting and identification of the container fitting from the solution will then be integrated with robotic actuators to enable the automated handling of the container fittings accurately. Startups should have strong visual analytics capabilities with a track record on industrial applications to accurately localize and recognize the container fitting. Solution will be mounted on robotic arms with end effectors to automate the coning and deconing activities.